apparently roasts people. I watched a couple of his videos and I think he sucks at roasting. Like, seriously, I think his roasts are weaker than the space between my eyebrows.
What are you laughing at?
Shut your ugly the f*** up! Holy shit! You like if Jack Frost was a zesty Edgar. Get your on where you like Victor from Despicable Me if he was in the Upside Down. What are you talking about, bro? You got a urine stain in your shirt, boy. You lactate piss out of your nipple. Get your on where you got battle rays above your eyes. Your eyebrows are like horse legs. Shut your up, bro. You ain't thing 1 or thing 2. You object 3 with your cat in the hat. My wallet ain't looking fat, having it. Boy, you dirty as hell. You dressed up like a soggy piece of bubblegum, boy. Get your ass on, bro. You conceived under a school desk. Get your ass on, bro. You got an albino launch pad on your head. Boink, boink, boink. Stupid ass, boy. You ugly as hell. Your mom uses your picture day photos as rat repellents. Boy, you dirty as hell. You looking like you asked your girl out to prom by faxing her a PDF of a PowerPoint presentation. Here are the following reasons why you should accompany me to the school dance. Boy, you ugly as hell. Now for real though, I caught you butt naked last night in your basement fencing a possum with a Wii remote. Boy, you ugly as hell. Get your back, bro. Your head look like if I stepped on it, 3 coins would pop out. Mario power up head looking like you dirty as hell, boy. Your dad shoved you into the wall. You said, Falco, punch! And then he shoved you again. Your move was not effective. Get better, boy. You nasty as hell. Look at your ugly ass right now. Let me switch up the music on your bitch ass, cause you better dirty as hell. And you better get your power up, having you ugly as hell. You better get your abusive father, Harry No Potter, like sexy identifies an Apache helicopter, saltine cracker, milk dud rapper, professional Walmart shopping cart hijacker, dusty, musty, crusty, long arm, skinny leg, big foreheaded, wedding here's a who, your grandma beats with a shoe, your whole head looking like King Boo. Out of my face, you dirty as hell. Your upper lip hasn't even fully rendered in yet, you ugly boy. You thought Hooters was a legion of elite. Get your ass up. I get a Fritos. She was a mermaid. Bum boy, you ugly. Nah, hold on. Take off the wig. Take off the wig.
It's not even my real hair.
Let's see you try to roast someone that's not wearing a wig!
Oh my god, never mind, put that back on. Yo, you ugly as hell. Your hair look like a Fortnite bush with frostbite. You ugly as hell. Your hair moving like there's a whole magnet above your head, boy. You got Magneto doing squats in your hairline. You ugly as hell. In fact, you like Zane from Ninjago if he worked at Forever 21. Get your on, boy. You got the flu, so you installed a Norton antivirus in your nostril. Shut your on, boy. You don't sneeze. The boogers paraglide out of your nose. Woo! You ugly as hell. You like you take your bath in a Minecraft water bucket and brush your teeth with a baby straw. Get your bad boy. You put a ruler next to your bed so when you woke up you can see how long you slept, dumbass boy. You ugly as hell. You got anything else to say? Nah, in fact. Swallow that gargle. Swallow. Boy, you ugly as hell. I'm done with you. You ugly.